Hi guys, today I want to share you about how to look other people's story status in Instagram and how to hide notification if we already saw them status. So at here I'm use program Story Saver from Instagram Story Assistant. So this is application at the Android, so you can install first, yeah, and after finish you can open this application. So I will show you how this application work. So at here I try to open my Instagram first, yeah. At the above, at here there are couple story status from your friend, but you not one if your friend look if you already look their status. So at here we use story assistant, yeah, try to open, yeah. At here is appear all your friends story status. For example, I just need to open for the example this one, yeah. You can open, and yeah, from this application you can look your friend's story status without they know if you already look them status. Okay, thanks for watching guys, see you later. Hi everyone, if you are new my channel, kindly to like, comment, share, tag and subscribe. Thanks.